Guess what I'm making next, y'all? I am making individual strawberry shortcakes. And in the older days, you know, we didn't have those little strawberry shortcake cups that you could buy. And so people made their strawberry shortcakes using biscuits, sweet biscuits. You know, you'd want some sugar in it. So I'm excited. I am so excited. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna put our flour. Come on, Paula. Our baking powder, a little salt, and some sugar, because this is gonna be for a strawberry shortcake. All right, now I'm just gonna pulse this around a little bit. Get all those things mixed up. Okay, now I've got a stick of cold butter that's been cut into slices, and I'm gonna slowly drop in that cold butter. My hair might be a little whiter, a little more white when I get through with this. You know, and you don't have to use this recipe. You know, if you want to make your own biscuits with the way you've always done it, you can do that, but you just need to add sugar to it so they'll be more cake-like. All right, now I think I'm going to just pulse it because I don't want to overbeat it. Okay, let's see what we got here. Looks like we got some real good buttered flour. That's so much easier, y'all, than having to cut that butter in, you know, with a fork. To me, that's just hard. It wears my arm out. Okay. Still a little warm, but I think I'll be safe. Okay, now we're just gonna make a well. And we're gonna pour our cream in. Actually, this is half and half. Now, some people like to use their hands. I'm going to need some bench flour. Okay. Teresa, here's your bowl.
What bowl is he?
Yeah, just put me, thank you. Now this is supposed to make like 8 biscuits. But I can tell you right now, I probably won't get 8 biscuits because I'm gonna make mine healthy. Okay, thank you, Teresa. I don't mind doing it right on my counter because I just use my blade and they get it right off. All right, so we're gonna get this mixed together by hand. All right, now we're gonna just do our mashing to get it in a dough ball. And we're just gonna fold it over. Of course, we don't want to overdo it, y'all, because it could make our biscuits tough.
Well, one thing I went ahead and did is mixed up your strawberries.
Oh yes, yes, and I appreciate that.
Just so you could.
That was my first step, y'all, was sweetened strawberries. You slice your strawberries and let that be drinking up that sugar. Did you add some more sugar to it since we? Thank you. She's a mind reader. All right, now I heated me some melted butter. In my hoe cake pan. Because I like to cook that in my cast iron. All right, so I'd like to make these biscuits a little bit bigger, but there's just I don't think that quite enough dough to get as many biscuits as I would like. 2, 4, 6, 7. I am going to get 8 biscuits. I think the recipe calls for like a 3-inch biscuit. And I'm going to get one more. Yes, sir, buddy. Okie dokie. That gets it. Now I'm going to brush the tops of them with half and half. And that'll just kind of give it a glossy look. And it's going to help me keep that sugar, because I'm going to sprinkle some more sugar on top. And that half and half will help hold that sugar on that biscuit. If you want to make sure they're good and glossy, I mean, you could use a beaten egg. Okie dokie, here we go with the sugar. I think the recipe calls for about a teaspoon of sugar sprinkled on.
This girl can make a mess, can't she?
Yes, I can. Have I sugared them all? I can't tell. I can't tell once it soaks out.
One.
Yeah, I did, yeah. It's hard to tell because it turns white. All right, so we're going to put these in the oven. I'm going to put them in my oven at like 350, but I think it calls for, what, a 400-degree oven. But it'd be a little hot for my oven. So here we go, our strawberry shortcake, huckleberry pie.
Messy hand.
Oh, wait. I just feel like one of them might be shy. And I'm real funny. I like everything to be equal. Whether it's all my children or
Let me grab this.
my pot of food. All right, y'all, we're gonna cook those biscuits for about 12 to 15 minutes until they're nice and brown. And then we're going to let them cool just a minute, and then we're going to slice them, and we're going to start putting our strawberry and the juices in there and some whipped cream and some more strawberries and some more whipped cream. It's going to be so good. 9 big biscuits, sweet biscuits waiting for you. Look at that. I can't wait to put one together. And you got to let them cool just a minute so you can cut them. And these are going to be real short because they had so much butter in them. All right. So, do you like a lot of juice on your strawberry shortcake? Or no? I like a lot of juice. So, now my strawberries, since they didn't have time to sit very long and for the juices to come out, I added a little hot water to them. Okay. And I got some whipping cream. Now I don't want that whipping cream to melt from these biscuits. So I'm going to put a little layer right in there. Why am I whispering? Why am I whispering? And you know that Eddie and Teresa gave up sweets for Lent. So guess what? I have to eat this by myself. Which I hate that I have to do that, y'all. I need to call Michael. I wonder if Michael's home. Okay. Teresa, could you call Michael and see if he is around? And because I think, I hate to eat alone, but if I have to, I will. Shut up. I'm dropping out of my mouth. This is so delicious. And those biscuits are so short because of that stick of butter. So, Michael, I fixed me one, because I always like to taste stuff so I can tell somebody if it's extra good or, just okay. This is the best strawberry shortcake I've ever put in my mouth.
Well, good. I should be the first one to taste stuff.
Well, you weren't here.
Well, that's my job.
And these biscuits are so good. All right, now let me ask you something. I should know this, but do you like
Yes.
a lot of... me too. Me too.
I don't even like those spoons.
Oh, well, wait. I'm fixing you up.
That's like with beans, you use slaughter spoons. I don't.
Yeah. Look at that. Oops. I was about to forget the best part. One of the best parts. All right, now here we go.
It's like a sandwich.
Yeah. I'm swallowing hard again. It's like I want another one.
I said fix a little one. That one can't be a little one.
Enjoy. And I want to know.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. I'm bringing you a spoon. I want you to tell me what you think Is it sliding off?
See if you want to bite.
No, I've already had my whole one.
I need a bowl.
You need a bowl. Well, you asked for juice, so I made it juicy for you.
That is delicious.
I know. It's like the best I've ever tasted, and y'all so easy.
I would have never thought that because you do one with a pound cake that's pretty strong.
Yeah. But you know, back in the day, people didn't have those little strawberry shortcake cups, and the cooks would use biscuits, sweet biscuits,
Huh.
for the shortcake. Oh my gosh, could y'all please?
Hold a candle too.
Oh, I don't even like them. But that's what Mama used to use when she made strawberry shortcake. I ate it,
Me too.
but it wasn't like this.
This is delicious.
This is like dreamland.
Glad you didn't pick me a good one.
Loving Best Dishes, y'all. If you want to put a smile on your man's face or your woman's face. Oh, please. Sorry y'all had to see that. Make them a strawberry shortcake, y'all. You're a turd.
I love y'all.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.